November 17, 2022 will judge games, gaming keyboards, gaming news, PC, mechanical keyboards are brilliant. If you agree, you probably have one on your desk right now, and we have just the deal for you. SteelSeries prism caps are an awesome upgrade over your stock keycaps, offering high-quality PBT construction, backlit legends and a beautiful two-tone pudding cup design that looks great, especially with an RGB keyboard. Normally a full keycap set of prism caps will cost you $30, but as an early Black Friday deal you can find these keycaps for 50% off, just $15. At that price, these are in impulse buy territory for me, as they'll provide an immediate uplift over your existing keycaps and last for decades. These keycaps are offered in an ANSI, US, layout, but with a few extra keys that make them compatible with almost all mechanical keyboards made by popular gaming brands like Corsair, Razer, SteelSeries and so on. Basically anything that uses Cherry MX style stems will work, from full-size boards to more compact TKL, 65% and 60% examples, as long as they don't take too many liberties with the layout. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.